Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins, the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans were down modestly on Monday, continuing to wait for some kind of significant public progress in trade talks between the United States and China. Phase 1 of the deal remains unsigned and might not be signed until 2020, maybe even after the presidential election. We'll see what happens in the next few months. Beans are also watching crop conditions in South America, which look favorable to non-threatening. Planting in Brazil, though, is a little bit behind average after recent heavy rainfall. Corn was modestly higher. USDA did report on Monday afternoon that harvest is slower than average in many key U.S. growing areas, and it's going to slow down even further with more winter-like or storm-like conditions in parts of the Midwest and Plains in the next few days. And wheat closed higher with Chicago and Kansas City in the lead, keeping an eye out for cold damage on the uncovered winter wheat crop that has emerged in those areas. Live and feeder cattle were higher ahead of the week's widespread direct cash cattle business, with support from last week's cold storage and cattle on feeder ports. Widespread direct business could start at basically any time with Thanksgiving on Thursday. And hogs were mixed, mostly higher on spread trade and a late oversold bounce, continuing to keep an eye out, though, for any certainty on China. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.